Why work with a realtor? Money, real estate agents, and accurate home pricing. In addition to the seamless process of using real estate agent for searches, Zillow notoriously reports incorrect and out-of-date information. This inaccuracy can be seen through their estimates, urging buyers and sellers not to use the inaccurate price of this predicted algorithm is a common obstacle for real estate agents to face. Access. The benefit of exclusive access. The exclusive access that real estate agents utilize when helping home buyers and sellers is imperative. Their professional network, knowledge of the market, and knowledge of the locations and access to the MLS and competence in complex transitions leave you with the very best results.